Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to build an awesome military place in Roblox Studio with tanks, helicopters, cargo planes, military trucks, weapons, and a huge battlefield map. Let's get started. First, create a new project in Roblox Studio. I will choose a flat base plate so we have a lot of space to build our military area. Now open the toolbox and search for military base. There are many different models here. I'm going to choose this one because it already has buildings, roads, walls, and an airport area. Let's place it into the map. Nice. Our military base already looks amazing. Next, search for Railgun Tank. This one looks huge. Let's place it on the road. Inside this model there are already scripts for the tank controller and weapons, so we do not need to script everything ourselves. Now let's test the game. I'm going inside the tank, but I cannot find the driver's seat anywhere. Let me respawn and try climbing on top of the tank instead. Oh wow, now it works. I can really drive the tank. And look at this. Left click fires the cannon, and the C button fires the machine gun. That is so cool. This tank is really big though, so turning around is kind of difficult. Now let's add some aircraft. Open the toolbox again. From there I want to spawn a plane. Let's search for V22 Osprey. This one looks really cool. I'll place it near the airport. Next, search for military car. I'm choosing this vehicle right here. Let's place it near the road. And now let's add some military trucks around the base to make everything look more realistic. Now search for Skyhammer military helicopter and place it at the airport area. Perfect. Let's also add a cargo plane and an A-50 plane to make the airport feel busy and active. Alright, now it's time for another test. I'm driving this green tank first. Let's shoot around the map. Boom. The effects actually look really nice. Now let's enter the Skyhammer helicopter. The engine started immediately. Nice. To fly up, click the green up button. If you want the helicopter to stay floating in the air without controlling it all the time, click the blue hover button. And to land, click the red down button. That is actually very easy to use. Now let's drive the V22 Osprey. The propellers are spinning already. That looks awesome. Let's fly up and turn around the map a little bit. This aircraft is really fun to control. Now I want to enter this cargo plane. Oh, I found the entrance, but it is so high up. Let me go back to the V22 Osprey and try flying closer. Oops, I still cannot get inside. Wait, I have an idea. Let's spawn a flying carpet. So we can fly directly to the airplane door. Okay, now we are here, but I still cannot enter the driver room. Let me press this red button here. Wait a second, it generated a brand new fighter plane. There are so many control keys though. Let's respawn and retry with the cargo plane. I can sit inside, but I cannot drive it. Maybe this model is broken. Let's remove it and search for another military cargo plane instead. Okay, this one works much better. I'm trying to figure out how to take off. Whoa, it flies so fast. Now let's drive a tank again and try to destroy some objects around the base. Nothing is taking damage. Maybe these models do not have destruction scripts installed. Now I spawned a C17 plane. This thing is huge. Let's try flying it. Wow, this plane is really difficult to control. And we crashed. I just died. Let's take a break from flying and drive some military trucks around the map. Now I'm going to create the beast car. And also the crown car. These vehicles actually look really cool inside a military base. Next, let's spawn some weapons around this area. Alright, let's test some of them. Wait, I can actually control the rocket projectile after firing it. That is super cool. Now we need a target. Oh, this crown car looks perfect. Boom. Let's see if it gets damaged. Nope, still no damage. Now let's drive this car. Press the plus button to increase the speed. Wow, now it is moving super fast. And here's the limousine. Honestly, our road feels too short for these vehicles. Let's make the road longer. Now I'm filling the ground with grass, so the environment looks more natural. Let's also add more trees around the road and around the military base. This map is starting to look really good now. And finally, it is time for the final test. Let's drive the tank one more time. Test the weapons and rockets. And then fly the helicopter around the entire map. This military place turned out awesome. If you enjoyed this Roblox Studio tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what I should build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.